Observer GC News, Mema Obibia Aquaba, Hadia, latest and hot news, and qua era mede Bremo, and uti so subscribe to channel idea. Bombardier say over subscribe. The Obiana say over click a subscribe button, you know. Now wa barely notification, you know. Where the new video be upload, you know. When the first person I was Ebeka a video. I feel we are now like video and give us a thumbs up now share my for so now when you be here now who and somewhere so Ghana memoharum. I feel Yabura ye and somewhere abeto yepno so Aya na no na mede betu dwa eye Daniela Siedu aka Sexy Dondon eye JB Dankwa Meda try ya one share say December 4th one of the assembly ebe ye kra na ne eye latest aba betu dwa assembly say the akowie ne say akoye hang verdict eye jury ye panel mo a the one I want to share case na say I want ka ho bia one the assembly chia de beduru eye sabre eye sa 8 years mu ai wo na one verdict one de betu abonte no akoye 4-3 na emremu no ese eye ida se be 7 ana se be 6-1 ana se be 5-2 na we akoye 4-3 na chese akoye hang verdict enu ti no judge ne se be ya ye retra assembly bill na chese ye san share eye assembly na sibium na se de akoye no eye ne lawyer e de assembly to ja fa ho sa so na ye JB Dankwa ayekunu ya ATS ni assembly bi abakodro na busuani eso akasa ama wode assembly atudwa na o share eye share say Daniela Siedu will face retrial for murder as the jury returns a 4-3 not guilty verdict in the JB Dankwa murder case. Na just say jury ne person mo kire say enya de ye Sexy Dondo eye Daniela Siedu odi sa abone no na I don't know one the better but say jury no emu 4 I say not guilty. Na no na judge na just say sadia na 7 no yensa share case na sibiu na just say retrial yesa ba be share case na sibium na eye JB Dankwa na busuani wi e de ensem tuya sa so na ye Daniela Siedu de lawyer so akasa ma wode ensem atuya yekuti wan ensem no na fe ye hwe ensem a eko yenti eye wan ensem a wan de atudwa efa ho eye abra court ewi asetena no yenti ensem a lawyers no e de tudwa yenti
I was sad to see the prosecution side just reading as if we were in the classroom giving lectures, whilst the defense did a very good job in punching holes every second.
Juries na ADSL, omentimi emunofo. In fact, omumun 9, esi womunyi ni aban lawyer na yaka no entumu. Na omufu se woni sa bone no. Wonye sa bone na amde ato no so no. Enye wono na ene yeye.
I want to say good evening to everyone, and I thank the press for being here this late. I just came out of the courthouse, and the verdict for my brother JB, my late brother JB, just was read by the judge, and shockingly, it was a hung jury. The jury found 4-3 not guilty on robbery and 4-3 not guilty on murder. According to the judge, this is a hung jury, so the jury was discharged, and the accused is going to be held in remand. I hope there shall be a new trial. Unfortunately, this is a sad day for the country and indeed for myself and my brother and my family. After 8 years of this case going on and my brother's painful death, the government, in this case the Attorney General's office, was not able to put up a strong case to convince a jury of 7 to convict Siedu of robbery and of murder. I think it is quite sad that this has happened to us. It's a painful moment and a painful day for myself, for my brother, and I believe also for all the family members and the children of my late brother. It is time we look at our justice system and see how best we can improve it and how best we can resolve them to put up a good case in court. Frankly, I believe that what I saw today, that the defense did a much better job than the prosecution side. That is what I will say as a family member. I was sad to see the prosecution side just reading as if we were in the classroom giving lectures, whilst the defense did a very good job in punching holes every second in every argument put up by the Attorney General's office. And I think it is sad again that this happened after 8 years. We shouldn't go back and retry this whole case. It's another sad moment for us to go through this case again after 8 years of this case resuming. So that's all I have to say. Again, I said I thank the press for being here. I thank the support we have received from Ghanaians across the whole country. But it is indeed a very sad day for myself and a sad day for the family. And I believe for many, many Ghanaians who were hoping for a better verdict. On Saturday, we go to the polls to go and vote. And it is my prayer that Ghana and Ghanaians will vote for a leader who will indeed be able to bring justice to all Ghanaians. Again, this shouldn't happen to any family. To wait 8 years for a court case to go on, and after that to have a verdict of not guilty or a hung jury is not the best any family wants to hear or anybody wants to hear. I thank the press and I thank you all very much.
Neten say, juries na ADSL, omentimi emunofo. In fact, omumun nine, esi woman ye ni abai laya na eka no entumu. Na omufu se woni sa bone no. Wonye sa bone na omde ato no so no. Enye wono na eden ene yeye. Ene mu miensa esi womne abai laya fo no eden. Eya adwen. Ba emra ne kire say, ada si omubenye omunso ni nyina ebeja atum si wono yeye anase nyo no yeye. Anase munsia mega so wono yeye anase nyo no yeye. Anase emu enum bekasa but yenye enum enya nine ene nine no so omankwa ama aban life no omkoma yen enti na judge ne say yensa enhye asie bio yensa hye asie won file won bibia foforo ena ye senior onima ya ne for 9 years no sa na ebe ye no ba me sure see this time around no me sure see bia ebedi 9 years we start to high court here but we can nyina you know me just say me wie medjuma enti no I mean nim say the na see obesan akase opese me ye edjuma ma no in fact legally for the edjuma na den e ma me enti o se me call na me de wo mon krata no bia komo mo say edjuma na mo kas me ye no ma ye awie e na nipa no so no wo mentime emunofo na yesan ahye ase biom enti se ho na se wo pese me sa to aso a ne bia ma to aso sense no then I say the lawyer for so oyema no so no ayama na person me check Ghana for so yenja nya atwom no ye because e to a wo be pese obi be de e be ka wasema ma na sio munyina na say wono e na edi sabo no no enso kronfo enso na ye di o si o say o munti asem nyina groje na omufa efense ekufo e de emra no emu nan si wa anyeda emu nan si ni aban lawyer ne ka ni nyina no omo ne nya adwen omne ni nya dream ba kokra sei enti ennan me nsa de na so no but emrane che sei I was thinking nya enum ne nke ne no nkokufi anase nya nsia anase nya nso ni nyina enti no senka ma mamu ena ma me kana sema ma no a nke be de nya nipa nan a omo gi asem ni gi na womo nye aban lawyer for na den asem ndi na seke tu ma me na tu ba na so tu nwa bi a nka mbe chi anadwusum se mo hwele adan kwaso ma den ama kama sem mama enti Ghana for no ma omfa atesem enye adwuma na wo pesu hunu ne etiemu a no ba court no be hu ne ewum so no munyai telephone bi frɛ no odidu atem no yewe na Facebook ediminam me no ya no emfa me ho medwuma ena me ye ena sisi no me wie medwuma enti wo mama som ntom emma no chesa section mesena medical can section 286 HSA say juries no entimi anya nokro anas wo entimi anya majority either for conviction the accused person ewo ho kwan say utimi say judge ne say o ma ne bail enti eno na migina asa section so na me de visa judge ne say o ma ye bail ina judge ne say me fa masem nyina enkoto nkrata so na me famra ye be nim so beba me client be kasa so kasa me nya dia me that's
information Omanpenyi John Mahama ene na sefone yame temeno kwa bia wo mu ense me de edi echire Oman Ghana na me de bisade besere Omanpenyi John Mahama ene na sefone nara me entro a mitimi twegu am so se omo no musoma me se me koye sare no enye sanete asem ni na ne say me wo on the 4th February, on the 5th February Madina me wo hono mo na alote informant ni Jamestown Clubhouse like oma ejuma timi my guns ni nyama ni akwakuye nyama ni aden ye de aba tono no my sa option ntimi wo hono mo on the 5th February no be frame me 2015 obe frame no ka chem senti ejuma bi aba o na mbombo de ya no ho beto no mesomso me ho be den e beto me na de amepe bia no ani amount amepe bia o mo de be ma me na msi you tina ama me ni age ena waka chem so okay maintain na kai no mo na e be kwa committee nkrofo bi wo adenta o branch for right side near be filling station ko wonim kakra hotel bi wo ho asia no I say sports me na wo ti ye ko no me ne tina kan me ko no me koto mpenyufo mienu bi wo ho me ko no mu chia me na me so me chia mu no mu bizam se frame se na me so ye frame Daniel Resido no ma me tina ho no mu bom din chia me da me tie ne nipa ba ko o shefugu o se friend Kennedy Japan na ba ko so se friend Mr. Ofori and the metime hu ne fu name o se Mr. Ofori ene aloteno tetina no mkatem se minimado kunti ameba ha na msio alote akachem na say okay my ready se me ya na msio I'm ready for anything no sio ntime zam se kachem se nipa odi adwuma no mam se mfambra nana adodankwa na ono no why busy campaign nti odi for so Kennedy Japan na Mr. Ofori no so say omofa ese djuma we embre me na msiyo mate na omo hwehwe nipa kro betimi aye edjuma no nti me na omo ho se metimi aye nti omo de breme na ma nipa na oba bedi position of JB Dankwa no ano so eka ho no this information e de ma me say okay se nipa we no mayo ma ho abo se metimi ye edjuma na dia me pe bia no omo de be ma me na msiyo mate nti Mr. Kennedy Japan de shefugu no oyi envelope white bi efi ne fugu no any picture any nyama kakra bi e de ma me senti o chere me papa ne picture any baby a papa no eti ni na msiu to de ma me no chere me senti me nkosisi na on the 6th no de mbeko baby na msiu mate omo mameti asese papa no omakunu ewo sunsumu dada na so owu a ebeye obia suspect say omo no maiden MPP party na eden ayenesa to omo mpese obia be hu ne sa to omo pese meko na mekunu wo physicala omo chimia mame wore mame njintu nsem na me na nipa bi sei na so mame say menye NDC party omo mame bo aso MP no Surugo Edin Emamebo Mr. Awayomi and some MPBD oye NDC or ye NDC or fighting for JB Dankwa position or ye NDC no Mamebo Nidinka or Mamebo Mr. Smith William Smith so then account Emmanuel Smith account na monsieur Mate into we call on the 6th February no na ombefa me ahomache me Mr. Kennedy Japan ene Mr. Ofori ene alote no tom de course de me call ritual bi mo say baby a me kono ohonom security e tight nti de me call ye call ritual ne say like me ni bibi ma me call no oluma bi na ye koto no wo oma me dro bi me ne ye se me wura ho a obi eni ho behu me fi ho se me call obi eni ho behu me me ye bibi awie akọ obi eni ho be den obehu me baso omochimia ombechimi no omochimia me mbosa ni pese me si say din na omotimi de gina so ayden every new election na msio mate na bibi awie a ombema me de amepe bia na msio mate we jitu mu eye de a omse menye nyemo omo promise me ni na no envelope no de mama me 2000 Ghana cedis and a room na ma me de toto me ho nyama kakra bi a me de be den e de be kwa koye se adwuma to ma me sekan tuntum bi kan na me call okay me call ye bibi awie no nti mi ankasa me ni alote no na eba na osama o musa be chi me e wo konkoma sentio me na mai sisi nti me so me ko me gitu mu se ya mpa me na me ye na nipa se me sisi na ye den esuma me to me wo remind e adwene ho a nyama bi ha me ba prison anu me custody no ritual how na yakoy no spirit ne hante me my imagine say I forgive and forget everything that I'm going on me de me ho amanyame but nyama bi ha me na mentimi ndenwemre bibi pursue me say I should speak the truth and let the secret to happen secret way so nananmo mpenyefo NDC for mpenyefo me de akoto ene sre epamacho mumfa me bone nchame ene de ameye enye mepe se meye mepamacho pa mumfa me bone nchame me sre bone fache mumfa me bone nchame ade ne ha me se me kana kre ti me no kra me kanine asema me review very huge asema dangerous MPP for next year I will never live in this world again mepamacho mumfa me bone nchame me this secret message edema NDC for mpenyufo me sre mo me yi me nsa efrem na de ha me se me nka me no kra ene na ma me ken ti me sre mo a me pamacho mfa me bone ncheme na asema me ken me nim se me wo danger am sure mfa me bone ncheme e da masi nko oshiam na kaki soja kaki na amehye nti sikan no odi me kosi ne pick up white one no odi me ekosi wo papa ne fie ho because ye twam afa security for ni na no money me say because of no nti obi entimi engina ka no ne ekosi wo papa ne fie ne ni mo te fie ne no si mi nti mi na me hye soja ne ka ene top brown na sikan ne hye mi kaki inside pocket na security ni bi ma me wem no me pap 2 main gate na me first step no the step ne dynamo step no kef to me focus on no and I'm a another room on no maybe san senti infana papa no che me say another room no be dynamo me do no so da ho I say wa ko adwuma ba no abre na scan bag ni sisi ho scan bag ni sisi ho no jane phone ato ne mpa no to on mo ka che me say ma me first ka bia me first written pay phone no na am see you nti mi wura dem no ma me ni bie dan no mi wura mu no ni se papa no hu mi na ni yem hye den na me pe na me ma den no o men ka no ye den o ma miska na me si no obi anso ma me ye no kwa na me pe no so ya o na no ye de o ye so ra hye na me ye den o so mi si no so mi mu o so a o so mi mu won nsan finfin me so me struggle say me isi kan no e wo me side pocket me yi no na etwa me na se ne picture na mo sisi a etwa me nsa no to ho na me de sika no nse say na watch me o chi me wo ne because of me nim eko share onu nenim akwati say ye be ya tentam no yes to say no also me nim me force no me yi sika ne fi me side pocket me bie na etwa me nsa nti ne mfi na me nya first tinu ojani sabakum no so ne film na msade wo ne kon ne kon left right side or right side or the right side or na minya kwan ebe gina ne chi na me so ne kon just kana to so ne kon emia ya nti moja ne etene na no ye mre no tena e wo ne mpane ni mo ne mpane ni no tena afom no otu wane suma menjeno wane suma me menjeno na obema miska me hweska me fada na me pe me mbo na menjeno na hona na me hu se no security for no mo papa ne nim ho no e opposite ne nim full tinted glass company no so amanfo ginagina o hwe ko se no no me struggle na edede ti me bie window na hwe se obi ehu mi ana hu so amanfo ginagina ho na me sapie me sawura me too say the way no window no tent wall to me sa to tent ni na me ko gina bebia ne pa no na me bie dan no bebia ma me ne de fire me bie na bisa ma me ne say infa na me fa sisi a infa na me fa bia man fo gina window na no we hwe me infa na me fa sisi a na o ka che o che me say no me kwan pa ono na atade no de da no kwan fa so amoja ne na atade minim because kodem ho no kotwe papa no kwan fa so me de minim nti me huri na me yede o kire me say window na opposite to the soldier man room na me huri si yo na me fa pa o nti me nante e kodu hyiashi na me frek ne de say me wi o no so okay ono akasa tu ni kana baba be hwe that is it no atu nka no buy pick up quite no de mbesi wo ho na chono ne first person no ba ho to be kasa me boa on frame na me kan che no ono ne first minister o hu se papa na ewu no ba ho chono be ka che me sent evidence exhibit na ma fa no to me twan ye be chi me omo chi me a ho no na me don baby sam se hwan na suma me na me so me boncho me se me sisi na suma me assembly man to me picture no aka ho ama me da papa.
I cannot continue getting that embarrassment, humiliation, accusation everywhere when they know the killer. The police for now catch them. Now let them come out and challenge. Say you want to catch them. So we have a problem. Okay, security now. Yes, I admit we have a problem. But if they want to arrest, Obi Okumni Pebia, they will do it. They are capable. But I need that. Eye wo say wonya important personality na MP make akra wrong because MP kurawu I say abu abi. Apart from say police ni and soldier ni ewuo. Yeni ayaka nyina yenya citizens of Ghana when it comes to security with the police. Because onipan bewu wo munye hu. My brother, let me tell you. Mutiwana mudi amosresre na mo yes we journalist. Mutumi tena edi politicians atem edi asofofo atem. Journalists can insult anybody, accuse anybody. Obi antimi nka hwe. You cannot be indispensable like that. You are not thinkers. We are journalists, we are thinkers. We respect the work we are doing. But it doesn't mean say we are 100% right in every step we take. It's not true. I cannot continue getting that embarrassment, humiliation, accusation everywhere when they know the killer. Over a year, the first commander, I will catch him, Meninity British Airways, and will catch him. The new guy who took over and so has confirmed. Over 1 year. Exclusive. Over 1 year. And my name is up there. Who asked that guy who killed JB to come and apologize to Mahama? Why did he apologize to Mahama? Mobiza. Emma boy no be jina ho. Omu coachi no hwe. O kasasi aboso wo yi na ni se na ohwe. Ohwe utumi so omu coachi no wo. Prisons ho. But you see, me, I've done a lot of investigation. I mean the cause of death and who killed. When him said, me all one day then cram for two guys be almost person mommy. Omo baya almost say dampare SC omo na o promise omo say so omo tumi kire baby a akwa no sha agwa na friends aí you match no sexy don e sha omo be na ndi omo na e ko kire sexy don e no mo de no bae enye dampare na ko kire na promise no wamfa ni nyina ama wo. Second person oba me office enso be complaining ofri asin adubiase ono so ba o se ono na sexy don di phone ma no a okohu president Kufuor any JB pictures near you de koma eslowsu ono so promise no o ma fa ba na two guys in a bar first no eno mo ka kire me say o mo an de no koy no mo de no koy no oboni patu din a wo mutie muntie ne ye enti o se obo standogbe
sexy don
right and obo MP ba konsudin
na MP ben
Sologo Ahmed Sologo
okay
wala muntie ne ye obo MP ni din no enti me pa mimisa Dampare Dampare admitted the first one, but say ampa obo MPB but and the whole team can't. Now boys no so sa can say me pa me misa police inspector bi your friend opon. Me friend no or serious was you asem we dey me dey me ntimi nka ayi no. And no chai. Or call pension or by me office but catch him say sexy don bo Amadou Sologodin. Now Emra omodi boy no e wo prison ho. E kasa me na me shefugu. Direction of my office cry otin. Say me and me born pass o me kunu na or apologize to Bahama 1. Or apologize to Ahmed Sologo 2. Or apologize to no. Or must stand up with him. Acquire me so no more financially. Wyoming 3. And we bought 1 Emmanuel I've forgotten it. Why in the kitchen say oh apologize? Why in the kitchen a boy and say oh apologize to those people? Why did he apologize to those people? Have you asked that question? By mentioning those people's names, apologizing to them implicates them. It means he has mentioned their names somewhere.
So he's apologizing.
So don't consume information. Adia Bronze why who my friend, Bronze, a great city. I'm telling you, be proud to say who free Bronze. Once I meet that just the idea natural. Or boy, a dinner sap and say, I give him away. Now, he mentioned or apologize to Amadou Sologo. Policy for no catch him say Amadou Sologo Sudin. Ghana for Obiang Kanri. Can Japan? What a shame. What a shame. What you say? And you a whole sitting MP were you're treating it as a sabi akukwa yakunu. Monjay on and then make chuma gina ko bibiso. Put the other better see your be second police in second. And now you're about police in you. Check, ask yourself or monitor how many hours and how many days or how many weeks it takes for them to arrest. Are we the rest of Ghanaians? Are we not citizens? Don't we have rights? And what do you want them? And once them but you know oh can I Japan and I'm saying man criticize you they make a U-turn. Boy no or court you be sam. Emra or car 7 I'm small. You be sam several times. Also Onimeda. Onimeda. How is he able to make that video? How? The last year I threatened to mention that there was Ominya Butre. No more day. Forensic American report to Inaba. They are working on it. It's over 4 months. I cannot continue getting that embarrassment, humiliation, accusation everywhere when they know the killer. The police for now catch them. Now let them come out and challenge. Say no one to catch them. So we have a problem. Okay, security here now. Yes, I admit we have a problem. But if they want to arrest Obi Okumni Pebia, they will do it. They are capable. But I need that. So when you're important personality, now MP make a crime wrong because MP Krewu, I say Abu Abi. Apart from say police ni, and now soldier ni, ewo. Yenya citizens of Ghana when it comes to security with the police. Because only pan bewu, who, and then mommy share secret with you. Why you think say me a very smart information in investigation discovery?
Okay.
I watch ID every second. I mean, me free time be I share investigation discovery.
Eti honorable. See how baby PM idea not mean be so. As it fix the attitude and not fix the country and not fix both. Honorable, whatever.
Yeah. You know, let me break it down.
Break it down
for you. Okay? Moi, on can't fix the attitude. On can't fix the attitude. Say 2023. So, say 2023 be. And I can't fix the attitude. COVID no aba abetwemu a enka me support wo. But say I disagree with them. So Obeka say fix the attitude. Say we should fix. We should say fix the country. We should say we should fix the country. All of us. If he says all of us we should fix the country, I will agree with you. But Sawoka say fix the country. Who should fix it? What about you? I'm going to give you examples. So if you don't fix your attitude, bring Jesus Christ to rule Ghana, he can fix the country. So let's fix our attitude or our mindset first.
You waiting for Winnie latest Abetomu, a year JB Dankwa Medatra, a year Danela Sirdus, aka Sexy Dondo, Kotokwa Sitanano, a verdict, a better bontenese, hang verdict, acquire 4-3, Nanuna judge and Asha say, yes, I retra assembly be necessary, yes, I shake kiss no, Asibim, and on some enamide, a bravo. Macau says, so we subscribe to channel idea, but Modia say, or be subscribers, and the hadia, latest and hot news, and qua enamide, a bravo. If you are now like a video, give us a thumbs up, Nafi, share my for so now when you be here now who and somewhere coso Ghana memohanum. Also bet me at share wadring a fire some way now I will comment box mo mubati minkavium in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.